Hey buddies, welcome back to another content from Bezelly of Tech. So this is the second day of Webflow Daily Challenge, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a navbar to the previous projects which we have building. So right now I'm going to leave this place. So I'm going to leave this, um, come to the dashboard, and I'm going to be opening the design. So this is what we are building. This is what we are building, this navbar for day 2 challenge. So you can see it. So now we are building a shelf portfolio. So we are building a shelf portfolio. So right now, what I'm going to do right now, without wasting further our time, is to come here. I'm going to come to this is the section, right? So I'm going to come above the section in the body. I'm going to press Ctrl E, and I'm going to write nav. So I'm going to be including this nav bar. I'm going to be including the nav bar. So let me see where the nav is. So it's here. So I'm taking it off here and putting it here. So you can see the nav bar, right? So this is the nav bar. So one thing I'm going to be doing right now is to ensure that this nav bar container is the same thing as the container which was stated for order. So I'm going to be coming here. So let me come to this container and see for myself. So I stated this container to be 940 max. So let me, yeah, 940 max, and I think I want these two to be 940 max. So what should we do? Right now I'm going to specify this container. Yeah, so I'm going to be specifying this to be container. So you see this is going to have the same thing. So you can see that. So this container is container of 940 max. Can you see that? So everything here is container. Here too is container. Here too is container, which is actually great. Which is actually great. So one thing I'm now going to be doing right now here is to style this. So I'm going to be styling this navbar. I'm going to be styling it. So we have a navbar here, and we have nav links. So we have nav links. So one thing I'm going to be doing first right now is to change this background color of the navbar to black. So I'll be coming here, and I'll be changing the background color to a darkish male color. So you can see that. So let me change this to this color. I think this color is cool. Yeah, that color is cool. Yeah. So right now in the container feed, I'm going to be adding an image right under this brand. I'm going to be adding an image. So let me come and add Ctrl E, image. So let me put this image under the brand. So you can see that the image is under the brand. So I'm going to be adding the image. If you close this brand, you see that the image is under the brand. So right now I'm going to be choosing an image here. So let's add an image to this image logo. So I'll come to this. I'm going to include the tools I use, the content I use for this. So logo. So this is the logo. So you can see the logo. So we are just using this logo as a sample logo. We're using this logo as a sample logo. You can see that. So let me replace the image. So I'm choosing this image. So you can see that. So one thing I'm going to be doing right now is to reduce this image. It's big. So let me reduce it. Yeah. I think that is okay. So right now I've reduced the image. So right now let's add some margin top. So we're going to add some margin to the top of this. So I'm going to add in the margin of 20. I think that's much. So margin of 10. 10 is okay. So margin of 10, which is quite okay. So right now I'm going to be styling the nav here, the nav at the opposite end, this nav. So right now let's go to the nav link. So nav menu, open it, and come to nav link. So at first, let me change this color text here right now to white. So you can see that that's white. So to ensure that it shows on others, I'm going to give all this a property of what nav link. So you see that everything is going to be white. So let me come here, change this to what nav link. You can see that. So this is white. So right now, I'm going to be styling okay. So at first, let me delete. Okay, let me rename this. Okay, let's look at the former one, what we are replicating as projects and CI. So right now, what we are going to be having here is this is going to be having works, projects that the chef has worked on, work, and contact. So this, let me delete this. So I'm going to be deleting this. I'm going to be styling this. So in why styling this, so let me come here. So why styling this? So this is going to be having okay, let me go add a class of contact. So it's having a class of contact. So I'm going to be styling this to have a background color which is going to be unique. Yeah. So that has been added. So I'm going to be having a radius, a border radius of 8 pixel, 8 pixel round or 10. Let me make it 10. Oh, no, that's short, 12 pixels. So 12 pixels is okay, which is quite unique. So after having a border of 12 pixels, I think one thing that I can add here, which is going to make it unique, is to add okay, is to add some padding. Yeah. So I want to add some padding. 17, 15 pixels, 15 pixels left and right. Okay, let me reduce this to 0. So these two should have 14 pixels. Yeah. So let me preview it and see. So you can see that. One thing again which I feel I should add, is margin top down 10 pixels. Yeah, because it's on the line 10 pixels. Yeah. This is quite okay. Nope. I think that 10 pixels bottom is too much. I think it's too much. I think I should reduce the margin. Padding, yeah. Yeah. Should reduce the padding. So let's reduce the padding. Yeah, 10 pixels. I think this is unique. Yeah, confirm. So we have a fully functional nav bar which you are going to be working with. So you can see that work contact, work contact. So you can see that quite unique and amazing. So this is the day 2 of our challenge. So I'll be looking forward for you guys to subscribing and keep me tab with every content I'm creating. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up so it can help the algorithm for people who are looking for such content. Bye.